it's Jess from Sallie Tomato. Today I want to talk about one of my favorite sewing machine feet, a Teflon foot. I use this foot a lot for making bags. It's great for working on those materials that tend to stick to the bottom of your foot, like vinyl and sometimes cork fabric. So this foot has a coating on the back side, so that way it glides really smoothly over your material. I really like how it's open in the front, so if you are doing like a zigzag stitch or trying to top stitch along a seam, it's really nice to be able to have that opening to see where you're trying to stitch. So to put the foot on the machine, you just slide it under and line up the pin underneath the foot and lower the presser foot, and it just snaps on. So I'm going to show you doing some stitching with the Teflon foot and how smooth this foot is. So I just have a piece of cork fabric. I'm just going to fold it in half with wrong sides together and place it underneath the foot. Just lower the foot onto the fabric. So one other tip when you're doing your top stitching is to lengthen your top stitch to about 3 or 3.5 millimeters. And that just has a little bit more defined top stitching and looks really great on your finished project. And here is what our final top stitching looks like. And it looks great from both sides. So if you've ever had your material stick to the bottom of your foot, then this foot is for you. I would definitely try the Teflon foot and see if that helps going over those stickier, tackier fabrics. For more information, visit babylock.com.